Welcome to today's maths lesson. In this lesson, we are going to recall and reinforce the concepts taught in this term. For this lesson, we will need the words symmetry, Carroll diagram, comparing numbers, more and less, ordinal numbers, tens and ones. Here they have given us many different shapes. We need to see whether these, and they've drawn a line of symmetry on the shapes. We have to see if their line of symmetry is true or false. Remember, true means it's correct, false means it is wrong. So if we look at the first shape over here, do you think that this line of symmetry is correct? If you've guessed yes, amazing. Let's look at the next shape. Do you think this line of symmetry here is correct? No, it is not. It is false because when you draw the line, it is not the same on this side and on this side. So this line of symmetry is incorrect. How about this shape? Yes, this line of symmetry is correct. Well done. And this one as well. What about this one? Do you think this line of symmetry is correct? Yes, it is. Amazing job. Let's look at the next one. Do you think this line of symmetry is correct? Yes, it is. Why? Because when we draw a line here, it is the same on this side and the same on this side. Let us look at this one over here. So, this one over here. Do you think the line of symmetry is correct? No, it isn't, because it's not the same on this side and on this side. It's different. How about this shape? No, it is not the same. Therefore, it is false. Now let's look at these shapes. Remember, we need to sort these shapes into the Carroll diagram. So, this one says has one curved side and this side has no curved sides. Shapes that are green, shapes that are not green. Let's look at the circle. Does it have a curved side? Yes, it does. We can see it's curved all the way around. But is it green? No, it is not. So we're going to put it in the block that says not green and says has at least one curved side. How about this one? Is it green? Yes, it is. But does it have any curved sides? No, it doesn't. So we're going to put it in the block that says no curved sides and is green. How about this one? Is it green? No, it's not. Does it have any curved sides? No, it does not. So we're going to put it in the block that says not green and no curved sides. How about this shape over here? Is it green? No, it's not. Does it have any curved sides? No, it does not have any curved sides. Let us look at this one. Does it have any curved sides? Yes, it does. Is it green? Yes, it is. So it has one curved side and it is green. Amazing. Now let's look at this one. Here they're asking us, what would Chomp do? We have two plates. Which plate would Mr. Chomp eat? And why do you think so? So let's look at this. Count and see what number you have here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Let's count how many do we have here. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Which plate would Mr. Chump eat? If you guess that Mr. Chump will eat this plate, amazing job, well done. Why will he eat this plate? Mr. Chump will eat this plate because he always likes to eat the number that is more, the number that is bigger, okay? So, he will eat this number because 44 is bigger than 40. Let's try another one. Here we have the number 49 and the number 59. Which number will Mr. Chump eat? If you've guessed that he will eat number 59, amazing job. Why? Because he always likes to eat the bigger number. So here we will say 49 is less than 59. Look at this, more or less. Here we're going to identify what is 1 more or 1 less than a number, or 10 more and 10 less than a number. So here we have the number 46. 1 less than 46 would be 45. Remember, you can pause the video at any time and come back to watch it. What would be 10 less than 46? If you've guessed that 10 less than 46 is 36, amazing. How about 1 more than 46? If you've guessed that 1 more than 46 is 47, super job, well done. And 10 more than 46 is 56. If you've guessed all of these correctly, you are a star. Now let's look at the number 77. What would be 1 less than 77? If you've guessed that 76 would be 1 less, amazing job. What would be 10 less than 77? Now remember, you'd count backwards 10 times from the number 77. If you've guessed that the number 67 will be 10 less than 77, amazing. 78 will be 1 more than 77, and 87 is 10 more than 77. Now let's look at first and last. Which animal do you think is first in the line? We're going to start from our left side. So, if you've guessed that the bunny is first in the line, amazing job, well done. Which animal is last in the line? If you've guessed that the elephant is last in the line, wow, you are doing super. Now let's look at the position of the animals. Which animal is first? Yes, the rabbit is first. What position is the giraffe? If you've guessed that the giraffe is second, wow, you are a star. What position is the cat? If you've guessed that the cat is third, amazing, well done. What position is the dog? If you've guessed that the dog is fourth, super job, well done. How about the elephant? If you've guessed that the elephant is fifth, you are a star. Keep it up. Now let's look at the position of the letters in this number. Here we have the word brain freeze. Can you count and see what letter is in the second position? If you've guessed that the letter R is in the second position, well done. We can go here and check our answer. First, Second, okay, let us look at which letter is in the fifth position. You can pause and come back to find the answer. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. So the letter N is in the fifth position. Let's look at what letter is in the seventh position. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. If you've guessed that the letter R is in the seventh position, well done. Super job. How about the 10th position? Let's count again and see. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. If you've guessed that the letter Z is in the 10th position, super job. Well done. Now let's look at what letter is in the sixth position. So here we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So if you've guessed that the letter F is in the sixth position, amazing job. Well done. Let's look at which letter is in the 11th position. So we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and 11th. So if you've guessed that the letter E is in the 11th position, super job. Well done. Now let's look at the tens and ones of a number. How many tens and how many ones in this number? So here we can see the tens are the long ones and the ones are the single ones. There are 4 tens in this number and 6 ones. Amazing job. How about this number? Remember, you can always pause the video and come back to find the answer. How many tens in this block? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that means there are 5 tens and how many ones? And 1 one. Amazing job. Let's try it with this one. Here we have 1 block of 10. So we have 1 10 and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 10 and 8 ones. Amazing job. We have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you all enjoyed it. Assalamu alaikum.